Join us for an unforgettable walking tour of Granville Island in Vancouver, presented by Mastravel24 Adventure. Highlights of this tour: public market, fresh produce, local crafts, and delicious eats. Artisan studios, pottery, glassblowing, and more. Marina, stunning views and kayaking options. Street performances, live music and entertainment. Dining, waterfront restaurants with diverse cuisines. Book your private Granville Island tour today and experience Vancouver like never before. Welcome to Granville Island, Vancouver's iconic cultural hub, where art, food, and entertainment come together in a vibrant and bustling atmosphere. Located just under the Granville Street Bridge, this unique destination is a favorite for both locals and tourists alike. Public market. Let's start with the heart of Granville Island, the public market. This indoor market is a paradise for food lovers, filled with a dazzling array of fresh produce, seafood, gourmet cheeses, and baked goods. When it's time to eat, Granville Island has no shortage of dining options. You can enjoy dishes featuring fresh, local ingredients from casual waterfront cafes to upscale restaurants. Step outside, and you'll hear the lively sounds of Granville Island's famous street performers. From musicians and magicians to acrobats and comedians, these talented artists bring an electric energy to the streets. Be sure to stop and enjoy a performance. You might just discover a new favorite artist. Don't forget to sample some freshly baked croissants or grab a cup of locally roasted coffee as you explore the market stalls. Granville Island is home to a variety of unique shops and boutiques. Discover handmade jewelry, locally designed clothing, and quirky souvenirs you won't find anywhere else. It's a shopper's paradise with a distinct Vancouver vibe. Granville Island isn't just about shopping and food. It's also a gateway to water adventures. The island's marina offers rentals for kayaks, paddleboards, and boats, giving you the chance to explore False Creek from the water. Or simply take a stroll along the docks to admire the boats and soak in the sea breeze. Looking to explore Vancouver's gems like Granville Island? Mastravel24 Adventure offers exclusive private tours tailored just for you. Visit our website or contact us today to start your adventure. Follow and subscribe to the Mastravel24 YouTube channel for more travel tips, tours, and amazing experiences.